Mathematicians, today you need to channel your inner art teacher because today is all about being an artist. Now, some of the first things we're going to talk about is just using symmetry and shapes. But then I'm going to let you play a little bit with symmetry in a program called Kaleidossketch. So hopefully you'll walk away from today understanding symmetry a little bit more. And if you're artists, I bet you already use symmetry a lot. Okay, mathematicians, I thought the best way to talk about symmetry would be me actually doing it with you because I think that you have to experience it. So if you would like to get out pencil and paper and actually draw these shapes with me, I made them easy enough that you should be able to draw them on your own. And we're going to go through symmetry together, okay? So symmetry is when you can draw a line through a shape, and when you fold it, each side would be the same. So look at that line that I just drew. If I fold the top half of the shape over the middle line, will there be two exact pieces of the same size and shape? No, that is not a line of symmetry. What if I move the line to here? Now that's pretty wicked. Could I fold the shape over that line and both of these pieces would match up? No. And I know some of you are probably like, Mrs. Moon, it's in the middle. I know, I was just not doing that one first. What if I folded the shape over the blue line? What if I folded the left half over the right half? Yes, this is a line of symmetry, and I might not have it exactly in the middle. It has to be exact. So there's one line of symmetry in this shape. What if we go to the circle? Could I draw a line through the circle so that if you fold one side over the other side, it'll be exact? Okay, mathematicians, so the circle. Is there a place in the circle that I can draw a line of symmetry? So if I put the line right there, can I fold the left half over the right half? No, that is not a line of symmetry. What if I move it to, ooh, look at that, there? That is a line of symmetry. Now, the cool thing about a circle, can you already tell what I'm thinking? Is that I think there might be another line of symmetry in a circle. So if I turn this, I know I could have rotated it, couldn't have I? So if I get this, look, it's trying to let me get it exactly in the center, isn't it? That is another line of symmetry. Look, now we have two lines of symmetry. We have this line of symmetry and that line of symmetry. Could I make another line of symmetry? Let's see. Okay. What if I go like this? Oh, Mrs. Moon didn't grab the end, did I? I'm working on it, kids. I'm working on it. Okay. Ooh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Could that be a line of symmetry? Well, sure. Well, that's weird. I think I should do another. Now, I have this cool. Ooh. Wait a minute. Could that be a line of symmetry? Fourth graders, how many more lines of symmetry could I put in this circle? I hope I hear you saying, well, Mrs. Moon, you can put an infinite amount of lines in a circle. You're right. Anywhere you can draw a line straight through the center of a circle, it's the line of symmetry. And circles are just special that way because you can always go through the middle of a circle because circles are made from millions and millions of little points that go through the center of the circle. And notice I'm trying to be exact, but not doing a very good job. So I keep drawing lines of symmetry, and I could continue it forever and ever. Okay? What if we go to this shape? Is there a line of symmetry in a triangle? Well, okay. Is my line of symmetry there? It's through the middle. But if I fold nope, that's not a line of symmetry. What if I rotate it 90 degrees? Is that a line of symmetry? No, that's not a line of symmetry. Now, some of you were probably watching really closely in my video, and actually, the program put the line of symmetry there right when I pasted it. It like did it right away, and I was like, wait, no, don't show the fourth graders that yet. That's the line of symmetry. Now, is there another line of symmetry? Could I place that line somewhere else? If you drew the right triangle, could you try it? Can you get another line of symmetry somewhere? It's super duper hard. It's not possible. There is no other place I could put this line in the triangle and there would be a line of symmetry. So I'm going to copy this line and go to the next shape. Okay, let's give you the challenge this time. Draw a square, the best square you can. How many lines can you draw through the square and create a line of symmetry? So I don't want to give you a hint. There's a line. Where could you put this line and get a line of symmetry? Pause the video. I would pause it. Pause the video and then I'll continue. Okay, I hope some of you put a line right through the diagonals, the opposite corners of the square. Cool, that's one line of symmetry. Can you think of another line of symmetry? So, of course, I'm going to rotate it because I can. Did you find this line of symmetry? So far, how many lines of symmetry is that? 2. Did you find more lines of symmetry? Well, I think I could do another line of symmetry. We didn't try this yet. The red line's trying, isn't it? We didn't try to just go straight through the center, did we? Mrs. Moon's trying to get it exactly straight. There's a line of symmetry. Did you find that one? Did you find any more? I'm going to rotate this. Don't you wish? I guess you could be on your computer trying it too. You could even be on your driveway right now. Oh my gosh, there's another line of symmetry, except I didn't duplicate it, did I? So I lost my other one. Okay. Could I rotate this 90 degrees? There's my other line of symmetry. Do you see all those lines of symmetry in a square? Can you find another one? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's interesting. All the sides are the same length, and there's 4 lines of symmetry, and there's 4 corners on a square. Hey, try the hexagon. How many lines of symmetry could you find in the hexagon? So draw a hexagon. How many lines of symmetry could you find? And you can pause the video. Here, I went back. Pause the video. How many lines of symmetry can you find in the hexagon? Well, I just gave you one. I didn't mean to. So pause the video, and I'll wait. How many did you find? I wondered, if I was going to be right, but I'm not sure. So there's 1. Do you see it? I'm truly not sure I know this answer, boys and girls. So I'm going to go through these vertexes. Do you see them? I got 2 lines of symmetry. Do you have more? I think I could rotate this one 90 degrees. Ooh, did you guys find this line of symmetry? Is this a line of symmetry? Oh, and I think did I mess up because I rotated the other one? So far I've got 3 lines of symmetry. Did you guys find more? I think I'm going to rotate this one. And that wasn't quite 90 degrees. I think it was supposed to be 60 degrees, but I don't know how to do that in this program. Okay. There's another line of symmetry. You guys got that one? Except I took it away, didn't I, to the other one? I'm learning along with you. I know where the lines of symmetry are, but I'm wondering about the whole, if the shape has an equal number of sides and they are all the same length, I'm wondering if there will be 6 lines of symmetry. So we found 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I think, did you guys find another one? Some of you are probably like, no, I did not see that one, Mrs. Moon. Well, I gotta get it to go over here. See, this is real-time video, kids. This is just me playing. Are you playing? So, oh, look. Did I find it finally? It just takes a minute. I gotta go through the center. Do you notice that? You gotta go through the center. There's a line of symmetry. Do you guys see another one? So far, we're up to 4, 5. So I'm gonna rotate this one 90. Oh, wait a minute. I better duplicate it. Okay. I'm gonna rotate. This is live time, people. Ooh, there. I knew 90 was too much. I told you that, didn't I? Okay. Ooh. Somehow my line got really long, didn't it? I want to bring it in. Meow. Okay. Remember, this is our first time teaching like this. Okay. Whew. Do you see that line of symmetry? It's close, isn't it? Okay. I found 6 lines of symmetry in that hexagon. I don't know if I ever knew that. So there are 6 lines of symmetry in this hexagon. You can continue practicing and draw a different 2-dimensional shape, okay? Try it with a rectangle. How many lines of symmetry does it have? I'll answer that question in a second. Okay, mathematicians, did you look at the rectangle yet? I think there are only 2 lines of symmetry in this rectangle. Because of the 2 longer sides and 2 shorter sides, you can only make a line of symmetry across the middle and down through the middle. However, if you try the diagonals, you can try it, but if you took that piece of paper and folded it along the diagonal, it wouldn't line up. It's not a line of symmetry. Here is an evaluate question that says, Craig says that the rhombus has 2 diagonal lines of symmetry, which are the lines that are going to the left and to the right, and 1 vertical line of symmetry. He drew the lines in the figure below. Did he make any mistakes? And if so, what are they? Are there any new lines he should add? Or are there any he should take away that are not lines of symmetry? Boys and girls, mathematicians, I hope you took some time to think about this question. The 2 green lines that I crossed out with X's and dotted lines are not lines of symmetry. Some of you actually might have to draw that rhombus and trace the line and try folding it, and then you'll see that is not a line of symmetry. Even though it looks like it will be, it's hard to see visually. And then the blue line, he forgot that line of symmetry. The child that did this shape forgot that line of symmetry. This is an evaluate question, mathematicians, 4th graders. You've seen this or similar questions this year. There's a hexagon, and Sue says that there are 2 diagonal lines of symmetry, they are the ones that are the right-hand blue lines going to the left, and then the vertical lines of symmetry are going up and down, and the horizontal is going across. But it says she made a mistake. Can you tell me the mistakes that she made? Where should there be lines of symmetry, and which lines of symmetry are not correct? Mathematicians, the child that did this shape, the red dotted line is showing the line of symmetry that is not really a line of symmetry. She accidentally put that one there, but that is not a line of symmetry. But the 2 blue lines that I added are the missing lines of symmetry. Before we finish this lesson today, I want you to look at the figures in this picture. These are pictures that don't necessarily have line symmetry, although some of them do. They have a type of symmetry called rotational symmetry. It's beautiful. So there are lots and lots of different types of symmetry. You notice that the rotational symmetry pieces you can turn in circles and they never change. They keep the same rotation, they keep the same look as you turn them. Hello, boys and girls, mathematicians. I hope that you take time to play with this website. If you learn anything today, know that symmetry is all around you. This program is called Kaleidossketch, and I will put the website info in the video today so that you can see. I mean, you can see it on my screen as well. But look at the symmetry I just created. This object has rotational symmetry and line symmetry. So if you want, you can play along with this, and I'm going to clear it out so that you can kind of see. You can change the color, you can change the line width. I'm doing rainbow right now. I bet all of you could figure out how to use these numbers over here and the hue and the saturation to figure out what to do and make it even better. But watch this. So I love some of this. Look at the flowers. Whoa. I just think this is the coolest thing. And then if I go in it, watch. Look at this. Isn't that awesome? So you can play around and create rotational and line symmetry just by playing in this program. I think it's awesome. I don't even know what I'm creating because I don't consider myself an artist necessarily, but look at how beautiful this is. It's just gorgeous. So you can play along if you would like in Kaleidossketch and look at all this rotational and line symmetry that you can create. And you could do a screenshot and send me your picture if you want to in an email, or send your teachers. I think some of these are awesome. So enjoy, have fun playing with Kaleidossketch. Mathematicians, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson on symmetry. If you would like to play more with the Kaleidossketch website, you may. This is the address to get there. You can also just type in Kaleidossketch and I think you will find it. Enjoy. Have a great rest of the week.